To make QuickBooks work efficiently for your business, start by setting up the company file. This involves creating a new company file and entering basic information such as company name, address, and industry. Choose the correct industry type to ensure the correct chart of accounts is set up. Next, set up the chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts used to track income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. QuickBooks provides a default chart of accounts based on the industry type selected during setup. Customize the chart of accounts as needed to fit your business needs. Set up users and roles to control access to the company file. This involves creating user IDs and passwords and assigning roles to each user. Roles determine the level of access and permissions for each user. Configure the accounting preferences to suit your business needs. This includes setting the accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. Choose between cash and accrual accounting methods, and set the fiscal year and tax year to match your business calendar. Set up the accounts payable and accounts receivable modules to track vendor bills and customer invoices. Create vendor and customer records, and set up payment terms and invoice templates. Finally, set up the payroll module if you have employees. This involves creating employee records, setting up payroll items, and configuring payroll taxes and deductions. By following these steps, you can set up QuickBooks to efficiently manage your business finances. Remember to regularly back up your company file and update QuickBooks to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. It is essential to note that setting up QuickBooks requires basic accounting knowledge and understanding of business operations. If you are not familiar with accounting principles, consider consulting with an accountant or bookkeeper to ensure your QuickBooks setup is accurate and complete.